What up guys, it's Rage Rob and welcome to a tutorial video. Yo, this is the first one of those I've actually ever done for YouTube ever and on my channel. I found a way to basically bypass some of the crap you're gonna deal with if you're a Nintendo Switch player in specific, because this is where I had the issue, and you're doing what I'm doing with monitors, not a TV. I took my TV out of my setup the other day and I have monitors that doesn't have a speaker. When you Google it, you YouTube it, everyone tells you to buy this little converter box thing. No. I mean, you can and waste more money, but listen, I bought this thing. For me, it was at Chapters, which is a bookstore. If I could find it now. There it is. It's a simple splitter. Okay, so this here, generally I use this for people who come over and do videos with me. You need headphones for everyone, right? I got this little tiny splitter thing. It's just a 3.5 millimeter, 3-prong. There's 3 black lines on that, not 2 splitter. That is for good sets of headphones. I use my Kraken headphones with that, my Beats, all that stuff to play good quality sound headphones. And I actually have my speaker set up for my computer. So basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna show you guys what I did the other day to set this up so you don't have to go buy an audio splitter fucking pile of crap to hear whatever it is. So basically what it is when you play a game with the Elgato HD60 like I do, you gotta have sound go through and still hear it from your headphones and into the game itself. So when I record, I actually have to turn down my volume all the way down, 0. Can't hear nothing, so there's no feedback coming into the microphone. And then you have to turn it up on your headset so you can hear through the controller. Doesn't work that way when you hook up a switch. So let me show you guys. I'm just gonna grab my camera and show you turning around here. Okay, hang on. So here's my setup here. Obviously, I have the monitor here. This is my monitor, and all my other bullshits here. This is what I've after redoing with my room microphone and whatever, right? My other microphone. So when I use this microphone for like collabs and stuff, because it picks up better talking and sounds and everything rather than trying to just talk into this shit like I would by myself. So here's my Nintendo Switch. Generally what you would do is you would plug the video or the splitter into this piece here with your headphones. That works if you're just playing whatever, right, and you don't want to hear nothing. So when I turn it on, for example, I'm gonna have to hook it up, and give me a quick second and I shall show you what I mean. Okay guys, so here we are. My Nintendo Switch is on, as you can see by the screen up here. And notice when I have my Elgato recordings up here, if you can take a close attention to right here, this is the audio part. I'm gonna try not to suck at it. I'm gonna move the thing with my controller left and right, and notice how there's no sound coming in at all there. It's not doing nothing, right? That's not good. So hang on, I'm gonna change my mic back from that to here. Okay, so you can still hear me, right? Not very good, but you can see it going there because I am talking into my phone, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug in this splitter into this box right here, okay? Or actually, I might not even have to do that because it's just me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Kraken headset. Hang on here now. It's hard to do it with one arm and a big freaking camera setup. So my Kraken headset, obviously. Oh, we got light. Look at that. Cool. We got light. What? So I'm simply just gonna plug this piece in here, pop like that. I'm gonna put on my headset. Okay, so now my headset is on, so I'm kind of muffled and stuff. So when I turn this up here, I should have sound. Now, you see how that sound's coming up there like that? This guy's about Peach's Castle. Oh shit. Right, it's not very loud. Okay, there we go. So you see how there's sound here? I can hear it, but no one else can hear it when I take my headphones off, just like I am here now. Headphones are on my neck. There's the sound right there, boom. So basically what you need to do is find your audio source in the computer and or monitor. For mine, it has nothing in here, but this, fuck you, this box right here is hooked into my actual, I'll say, monitor that actually has an audio jack and has been switched in and out. This is my source for sound coming through those speakers here and there through the box. So basically what you got to do is you got to hook something up, like your headset or your splitter or whatever you got to do, into that source to then hear your game and still record the sound on the Nintendo Switch. Is probably the worst fucking tutorial you'll ever see, because I've never done one before, but you know, I saw it there and I've always had issues with friggin' figuring out recordings and stuff. I'm gonna try and cut this a little bit better so it doesn't look so sketchy and weird. But yo, for anyone out there who tries to record sounds and has just a monitor with no sound at all, and they have a little box or something, or even just an audio jack that they can hook it into to hear and still record the sound, this is how you do it. Hopefully this, guys, will help you so much. It's helped me a lot, because now I can play anything. I don't need to go buy myself a $100 friggin' little box, so I can basically hook up my HDMI and my audios and stuff. So basically just need headphones, splitter, whatever, and a source to plug in to your speaker or anywhere to really listen to sound from your computer. I hope this video help you guys. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So sorry for being weird with the tutorials. Usually I just play the game itself and I don't have to fix stuff, but I hope this helps you guys. I love y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Rage Rob. Peace.